5 Fiverr gigs that require absolutely zero skills and also zero knowledge. Now this video is going to be a complete tutorial. I'm going to show you everything you need to know, including what these jobs are, how much money you can make, and how you can get started making money with these Fiverr gigs as soon as today. So if you are interested in making money online and making money on Fiverr, then keep watching, as this is going to be the most valuable video you ever watch. Now before we jump into this video, I just want to mention that my mentor has opened up a few spots for his free workshop. As I said, there is only a few spots, so it is a first come first served basis, and this workshop actually allowed me to earn my first $7,000 month online, so it is definitely worth your time, and if you want to sign up, you can use the link down in the description. Okay guys, now number one is actually so crazy that you guys might not even believe it. But if we just come over here and we type in remove background from image, you will be able to see there is a bunch of people right here who have made a lot of money from removing these backgrounds. So for example, if we just open this one right here, this says I will professionally remove your background from your images, and we can see a few pictures where he has done that exactly here and removed the background from the images. Now we can see guys that there are 522 people who have ordered. What I usually like to do guys is when I calculate this is I like to be conservative, and basically where it says here standard and premium, we basically ignore this and imagine that everybody went with the basic package. So what we can do right here is do 10, it costs $10 times 522 people, and we can see that this guy has earned over $5,000 from this gig. Now I know what you're thinking, okay, that looks very cool, I would like to earn $5,000, but this looks hard. Like, I have no idea how to use Photoshop, I have no idea how to remove backgrounds, and the funny thing is guys, you literally don't have to. All you would have to do is create your Fiverr gig, make the sale of course, and then once the client has sent you over the images they would like the backgrounds removed, all you have to do is come over to this website called remove.bg. Hang on, if I just go and grab an image right here, so if I just say woman, and we want to remove the background from this image right here, all we would have to do is upload this, and you watching guys, boom, look how easy that was right there. You would simply send this image back over to your client, and that is the background removed from that image. So that is literally how simple this is, and you can earn a lot of very easy money by simply removing the background from people's images. Now option number 2 guys is by creating Instagram posts. Now I know what you're thinking, once again, this really isn't simple and I have no idea how to create Instagram posts. Now that really, honestly guys, that does not matter at all. As it says right here, I will create 9 awesome Instagram and Facebook post designs. And we can see right here, as it says, it does what it says on the tin, right? They will create Instagram posts and designs for you. So if we work out how much this person has earned, and we do $25 times 578, that is at an absolute minimum $14,000, and with these standard and premium packages this is probably way higher. But guys, this looks a little trickier than removing backgrounds, so how can somebody with zero skills and zero knowledge do this for themselves? Now to do this, you actually want to come over to this website called Canva, and Canva is a very awesome website where you can create these posts very easily. Now Canva is a paid tool, however Canva have been kind enough to allow me to give you a link which will give you a 30-day free trial. So if you go down and use the link in the description of this video, you will be able to claim a completely free 30-day free trial with Canva. So you can go ahead and use Canva, you will be able to create your designs, and within 30 days that should be a much more than safe amount of time to start getting your first sale. Okay, so what we want to do on Canva is create a design, and then of course go for Instagram post. And then the awesome thing right here guys is we don't even have to create these posts ourselves, as Canva has a bunch already created for us. So if we just go to templates here and search for Instagram, just go ahead and search, you can see guys a bunch of Instagram posts are going to pop up. and these are literally already created for you. So let's say that you have a client that comes to you in the travel niche. What you could do is type in like Instagram travel, just like this, and a bunch of travel Instagram posts are going to pop up. Look at this, guys. This is super simple, and we have all of these Instagram posts. And then if your client had like a picture that they wanted you to add, all you would have to do is delete the current image that's in there. And let me once again just go and grab an image. And let's imagine that your client sent you this image instead. So all you would have to do to simply put this into the design is upload this to Canva, and then you can simply put this in the image. Now, how simple is that, guys? And this is a lot simpler than you thought, right? You probably thought that as a beginner it would be pretty hard to create these travel designs. You can basically change this to whatever you want. Down here, change all the text and everything like that. And that is how you can do this second method, which is creating Instagram posts. The next Fiverr gig that you can do, guys, is becoming a virtual assistant. And this is actually pretty easy, to be honest. Like, you don't need any skills or any previous qualifications in order to do this. As this person says right here, I will be your executive admin virtual assistant. And we can basically see some jobs here. What can this person actually do? So book your appointment, create complete simple copy and paste, create fillable printable forms, upload content to your website, schedule social media content, email cleanup management, create and maintain spreadsheets, and create SOPs. So as you guys can see here, you really don't need like a degree or any sort of experience really in order to do this gig. And this person is actually charging a fair bit of money for this. So $40 for 1 hour of work, which is pretty incredible. A part-time assistant, so I will complete 5 hours of work for you for $200. And then for $400, I will complete 10 hours of work for you. And she includes all of these things. So right here, if we once again keep this conservative, $40 times 119, that is over $4,000. And I can almost guarantee, guys, that she has made the majority of these sales on the standard and premium packages. So that right there is a very, very awesome way that you can make money on Fiverr without any skills or any experience. And to be honest, I really like this, as the people who hire you once, the chance is they aren't just going to hire you once, and they will actually hire you again and again and again, probably off the Fiverr website to cut down on fees and stuff. But as I said, that is very awesome because you can get a lot of repeat clients for doing this. Now, another way that you can make a lot of money on Fiverr, and this is probably one of the most profitable ways to do this, and this is actually creating logo designs. Now we can see we have a bunch of logos right here ranging from like $95, that's pretty expensive, I'm not going to lie, that is expensive, all the way to like $25, $50 and all of that good stuff. But we can see, guys, even here at the top, for a $95 logo, this still has over 1,000, well, over 5,000 purchases. So once again, if we keep this nice and conservative, and we don't do the standard or premium, we just do basic, we can do 95 times 5,299 for the sales, and this person has made over $500,000 creating these simple logos, and they have also created logos for Nike, Walmart and Fiverr, which is absolutely incredible. Now once again, guys, you might be thinking, okay, but logo design, it's not that simple to do. You might be thinking that you don't know how to create logos, and that is fine, because once again, over on Canva, they make this very, very simple. So what we can actually do is go up to create a design, and this time, of course, create a logo. And if I just go ahead and show you guys, let's recreate this dog one right here that says true friend. And we can simply come up to templates here, and instead of searching for Instagram posts, of course, we are just going to search for logo. A bunch of logos are going to pop up, so let's try dog logo. Look at this, guys, a bunch of dog logos are going to pop up. And what was this one called? It was called True Friend. So all you would have to do is simply select one of these. We can title this True Friend, just like that, guys. And that is how you can create a logo. Now you can make, I think their background was green. Of course, you can customize the background color to be whatever you want. And that is how you can create logos on Fiverr. You can literally do this for anything. So maybe like food logo, and you will see a bunch of these are going to pop up. So you can do these, you can change these out. So for example, if you didn't like the image right here, we can go to elements, search for dog, and we can literally swap this out with another dog image, just like that, and create the logo in an entirely different way. And then guys, the final thing that I want to talk about isn't a gig as such, but it gives you access to any gig in the world. Now, you do not have to be trained in this gig to offer this. You do not have to have any skills or even know what this gig requires in order to do this. So that might sound a little bit confusing, but let me show you exactly what I mean. So let me pick an area that I have no idea in, web design. And if we search for this on Fiverr, you will be able to see there is a bunch of people offering web design services for a wide variety of price ranges. So if we open this one up right here, he says, I will create a unique and modern responsive website design. Honestly guys, I have no idea how to do anything to do with web design, and you don't have to either. Because the method that we are going to be using is something called Fiverr arbitrage, and this is effectively where we get somebody else to do the work for us. So we can see that this one right here, I will create a website for you. The basic package is $45. So if we now open this up and come over to a different website called SEO Clerk, we will be able to find somebody for much cheaper on this website. Now, I should have mentioned what this website is. This website is quite similar to Fiverr, however everything is much cheaper. So once again, if I go here and type web design, we can see that there are going to be people offering much cheaper web design, like $19 right here, $20, $10, and all of these awesome offers. So you basically want to find something that matches up with the gig on Fiverr. The cost's cheaper, and then you keep the difference in between. So once again guys, if I just show you with the logo design that we talked about last. Now of course, it is very easy to create your own logos. However, if you just wanted to completely take that work out of it, you absolutely can through Fiverr arbitrage. And we can see, I think the logo we previously talked about was $95. And you can see that we can buy logos for 10, 20, 5, so many cheap logos on this website. So for example, if we take this one right here for $5, we can see that these are some of the logos he has created. So what we would do is we might charge $95 on Fiverr for a logo. So we might do $95 for a logo, come over to SEO Clerks and realize that this is $5. We would then pay this person $5, and boom, we keep $90 in profit. Now you can see that there is going to be a bunch of other ones like this on Fiverr, so you might want to go through and pick like a perfect price point for you, but just make sure guys that you can find somebody on SEO Clerks who can do it cheaper, and that is a very good way to make money on Fiverr, as it opens the door to basically any niche that you choose, any service that you want to provide. You can now do this as you are getting somebody else to deliver the service. Now, I've mentioned this business model before guys, and people said like, is this a scam, is it illegal? But no, this right here, so Fiverr arbitrage, is completely legal, it is completely allowed, and this is also known as drop servicing. So as it says, essentially drop servicing is a business model that involves selling a service carried out by someone else. In other words, you sell a service that you outsource to a freelancer or an agency rather than complete yourself. So guys, completely legal, completely ethical, and a very nice way to make money on Fiverr. But overall guys, those were Fiverr gigs that require 0 skills and 0 knowledge. And hey, hopefully you learned something from this video. Now if you did, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time guys, take it easy.